What's going on, you guys? Hope you're having a great and fantastic day. My name is Scott Barnes and you are watching The Bearded Journey. And in today's video, I thought it would be a great idea to show you guys how to style and manage your short beard. Now that being said, as we're growing out our beard into the full beard season, which I like to start in late July, early August, because that gives us 3 full months of beard and mustache growth. So that way, once we're finished with August, September, October, right when we fly into November, we've got a nice full thick beard that everybody wants to be envious of as we're in Movember, mustache Movember, beard November, whatever you want to call it. We are in full swing, and that way everyone is jealous of what we've got. And to preparate ourselves for that month, we are going to be obviously in that awkward stage right now, especially for my mustache. Definitely going over the first part of the lip, and we got some fray things going on here. But right now it's more towards the beard direction, which I've done a beard video on that as well. But for right now, I just want to focus on that this is a time that we can actually not only style our hair, obviously, but our beard length is getting to that time where we can actually start styling it out and putting it into a direction where we want it to lay as we grow it out. So the first thing I want to do to prepare for this is I want to get my hair dryer out, and I like to use a rolling brush to start in the preparation of styling out my beard. And we're going to put it on a low heat, and we're just going to kind of roll up and down and just get a lot of that water and moisture out after the shower. And already just within that few 10 to 30 seconds of hair drying our beard, or beard drying if you will, we can already see that we have a beard direction and where our beard wants to lay. So what we're gonna do is now, I wanna get out a product which is a nice first time for you guys if you're wanting to go into the beard oil or the beard balm. So same as last time, we're gonna go on low heat with the hair dryer, and then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take my rolling brush, we're gonna roll my beard into the direction, and I'm actually gonna take from my beard, I'm gonna actually roll my hair out and style my hair out a little bit, and that way my whole set and my whole head is gonna smell like restoration. All right, so we'll go ahead and pop the hair dryer on. And there we go. It was very simple and easy, but it's a great way to give your beard a great restoration, or actually a vitalization, because as we're coming out of the shower and we're going through our day, our beard's going to get roughed up through us picking at it, getting in and out of certain situations. And this is a great way to just give your beard a nice shine for the day. Now with the Artiest Man's Restoration, it's got that vitalizing freshness smell to it, and in my opinion, it's probably one of my favorites. You know, we have our citruses, we have our spring, our mountain airs, our menthols. This is one of more of my favorites, kind of that Irish Spring smell, if you will. It's very uplifting. So if you want, like I said, go down in the description, check out Restoration in the Beard Butter. But going back to the actual the stage of styling out and giving our beard shape in our short beard stage, like I said, this gives us a projection of where we want our beards to lay and look like. So this is a great time to focus on styling out our beards throughout this next month, and then we're going to start within the weeks putting in some mustache wax to give our mustache direction as well. I'm still in the stage where even if I put it in some mustache wax, it's really not going to do anything. I'm going to have a lump of goop on my mustache. So probably within the next coming weeks, we'll go ahead and style that out as well. But like I said, this is a great time to start adding in product to our beard. It's going to give us almost a cologne, type feel. So, when we're smelling in the air, we've got our beard right there giving us a great smell throughout the day. So, this is a great time for you guys to start thinking about where your beard wants to go. All right. So like always, you guys like and subscribe. Check me out on all that social media. Check me out on all those other videos to help you guys out throughout this process, because we are in full beard season. All right. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you on the flip side.